Hey, good morning, guys. Today we're going to continue our study of transformations and we'll be working with reflections today. So if you haven't already, make sure you fill out the heading of your Cornell notes and put your name, the class and period, and today's date. Our topic is still transformations, and today's objective is going to be working with reflections. So our central question for today's notes are, when do we ever rely on reflected images in our daily lives? And you'll be surprised if you really think about this answer, how often we rely on images, reflections of other things in order to just get along our daily basis, especially if you're a driver, hint, hint. Now, we have some vocabulary we need to cover first. So our first term we have is reflection, and we define it as a reflection is a transformation that flips a figure over a line. Kind of like when you look into the mirror in the morning. The mirror would actually, what you see in the mirror is your reflection. Now, a line of reflection is the line over which a reflection occurs. So when you look in the mirror in the morning, the mirror would pretty much be your line of reflection. If someone could look like at a sideways view of you and see you and your reflection, you'd both be the same distance away from that mirror. So one of you on the left, one of you on the right. And then that brings us to our next term, which is a line of symmetry. We define it as the imaginary line that would divide an image in equal halves. Some things, like a basic square, you can cut right down the middle and have two equal parts. The line that divides the two equal parts is your line of symmetry. And you can do a lot of other things, not just your basic shapes. Finally, we have the last term, or our last statement here, and it says, a figure can be reflected over a line so that its image matches the original figure if it has reflective symmetry. Let's say, for example, you could get like a piece of paper, you fold it in half down the middle. That fold of the middle shows that you have reflective symmetry because the left side looks like the right side, except for maybe on notebook paper where you have like those three little holes that are punched. But for the most part, left and right match, so you have reflective symmetry. You can also go up, down, diagonally, whatever. There's different ways to have symmetry. So go ahead and fill out these definitions now and then move on to the next video.